Hi everyone. This is the episode about how to create the training images before you go training them in Elastic. This step is needed to make your images to automatically, align your background and images on the same level. So if you have, let's say, 3 training images, they all have to have the same background. Okay, now let's go to our folder of the experiment, and of course we should open the open the Fiji. So it's already open here. You just need to find your XF file and click on it. Then you go to plugins, BrainJ, and here you don't need any of these steps. You go to other tools and you go to create elastic training images. We click on it and then we choose which images we want. But first let's select the folder. The folder you need is not a specific folder where, for example, your reformatted sections are. The folder you need is basically just the folder of your experiment, of all the files you need, because it will use also the experiment settings, which is the CSV file that is saved in the main folder. Okay, then we select it, and now we can choose any number of your sections. We have only 8 here, so I will choose the same. I will choose 2nd, 5th, and 6th. Okay, so it's gonna be this, it's gonna be this one, it's gonna be this one, and this one. Okay, now we are ready. Click OK, and then the batch process will start. You will have the log window will open, and you will see the logs, which section is processed right now. Okay, I'm gonna pause a little and I'll go back when it's done. Okay, so it's almost done. Here we have almost so 2 of the images are already processed. Now we're waiting when the 3rd one is done, and we are ready to work on them in our Elastic. To see how the Elastic images are trained, to see how you train your images on Elastic, just go and click on the next episode and you will see. Thank you. Oh, by the way, let's just check out what do we get. So your training images will be stored here as they are processed. Let's go here, and since in the experiments we have only one channel, we're gonna work on the one channel, which is here. So in this file we said to BrainJ that we're gonna use only one main channel. And so if you had 2 channels, let's say for example one channel staining the neurons and another staining is like the cell bodies itself, and another staining is staining like some projections. So you'll have 2 folders here. So let's just take a look at them and see if it's okay. It seems quite good for me. So they subtracted the background, and now it's not that I think it's pretty clear now. Okay, so this is it. On the next step you will have to use these these images on your training. Bye.